Green bean. Now make sure yours is vivid green with no discoloration. They should not contain any bruises and should be firm rather than flimsy. Now both ends of the green bean will have these tips and we'll want to remove them as they're quite tough and not really edible. Green beans are famously cooked whole. However, another method is to thinly slice on a bias, which can be used in salads. Or you can slice it larger, which can also be sauteed. And that is our green bean broken down.